Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all to Value Education class. So, today in lesson 2, Be Food Smart, Change for Life, we are going to cover the following topics: eating with our loved ones, manners are served, and about food wastage. So, I hope you all are going to enjoy it. So, our topic is eating with the loved ones. It means eating with the family and with the friends and neighbors. So let's start reading. Family is the most important thing in the world. Eating meals together provides a great opportunity to create and strengthen family bonds. Meal times can be fun and enriching as everyone can share stories about their day and can plan for the next day. Shared meals can also be extended to friends and neighbors to build a stronger sense of community. While eating with others, we must keep the meal manners in mind as they leave impression on others. So, we should always try to eat our meal with our family, with our friends and with our neighbors. Do you know food tastes better when you eat it with your family? So now here is a short poem. Let's start reading it. The baddies lick their fingers and the baddies lick their knives. They spill the food on the table. Oh, they lead disgusting lives. The baddies talk while eating and loud and fast they chew. And that is why I'm glad that I'm not a baddie. Are you? So, in this poem, we are getting a message that we shouldn't be like baddie. Because baddies lick their fingers, lick their knives, they talk while eating, and they lead disgusting lives. So we should avoid being a baddie. So here are the good table manners. Let's start reading about it. We should always clean our hands before we start our meal. We should hold the cutlery correctly. No slurping. We should always sit up straight. We should never put our elbows on the table. We should always chew our food with mouth closed. We should never play on the dining table. We should never reach out for our food. Always ask someone to pass that food item to you. We should always be grateful for the food that we are eating. We should always keep our napkin on the lap. So here are the good table manners. And what are the do's and don'ts we need to keep in our mind? Let's start reading it. So always wash your hands before eating. Wait for everybody to be seated. Place napkin on lap when seated. Then sit up straight, no slouching, no elbows on the table. Always be prepared to serve others on the table. Always chew with your mouth closed. Always use a spoon and not your hands to eat your food. On finishing, take your used plates and cutlery to the kitchen. And what are the don'ts that we should never do while sitting on the dining table? Don't stretch across the table. Ask someone to pass what you need. Don't talk when you have food in your mouth. Don't stuff your mouth too full. Don't play with your food. Don't wave your cutlery around. It is messy and dangerous. It can hurt you. Don't leave the table after finishing your meal. Wait for others to finish. So here are the do's and the don'ts. I hope you all have understood. So our next topic is say no to food wastage. We have always read and we have always learned about the value of food. We can never live without food. So we should never do food wastage. We should never waste our food because it is precious. Take what you want but eat what you take. We as individuals can implement small changes that can make a big difference. So let's start reading. Check in with your belly and take only tiny servings. Then if you are still hungry, you can ask for more. If you do not want to eat something, please speak up. It's much better to say no than to throw food in the garbage bin. Take a reasonable quantity of lunch to school that can be finished and shared with friends. If you bring it back home, it will not be edible and it will have to be thrown out. Eat leftovers. If for some reason you have left food on your plate or some dish could not be finished by the family, ask your mother not to throw it out. It can be refrigerated for use the next day. Educate other people. Simply being aware of the issue of food waste can help make people more attentive to wasting less at parties and restaurants. Share the spare. If you are not eating something, you can share it with a friend or family member who wants it. In case some food is left after a celebration in your house, suggest your mom to donate it to an orphanage or a needy family nearby. Or you can call 1098 Child Helpline number to donate your food. So these are the small changes that we can bring in our lives that can make a big difference. So we should say no to food wastage. We should never waste our food. So now in this picture you can read dining etiquettes. So before the meal you can keep your napkin on your lap and keep your personal belongings like smartphones, toys off the table. Now during the meal, you should wait for others to be served and you should not eat before the host start eating. Understand the table setting, use the outside in rule. Hold your utensils in the continental style. Chew with your mouth closed. Always pass the salt and pepper together. If an item is not being passed to the specific person, pass food from left to right. And after the meal, when finished eating, position your silverware to tell the server you are done. Fold your used napkin and place it to the left of your place setting. So these are the dining etiquette you need to keep in your mind while having meal. So dear children, I hope you all have understood all these three topics. Now I am going to share with you a worksheet that you are going to do in your value education book, that is Dewdrops. Thank you.